Hi, my name is Mohammed, and in today's video we're going to be building a new workshop for me to work on projects. So I'm going to be turning this backyard shed into the workshop. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff to be fixed, especially replacing the leaky roof, fixing the walls, adding electrical stuff, and just cleaning up in general. After taking the measurements, we got the insulation, doors, and wall supports. Then the construction dudes grinded, they swapped out the roof, added the doors and windows, electrical stuff and walls, and then a deck in front of the door for when we want to work outside. That's nice. Then I went back to my old garage workshop, got all the stuff out, and began to set up in the lab. The workshop is ready. The shop is set up with storage in the back, the rest of the space for work, and I even got a 3D printer. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for some major projects from our team at M Technologies.